Good day, teachers. I would like to share how can we make use of teacher app from phone. First step is go to a Play Store, enter school teacher app and install it. Make sure that the teacher app is given by Neverskip because there are other teacher apps also available. Once you finished installing, you will enter your registered phone number. After entering, an activation code will be sent to that phone number. After entering that 4-digit verification code, activation code, you'll be able to access the teacher app. Now you open, you will see this page. On top right corner, you can see like a pen tool. Click to it. You can send any message, a normal message. You have a special class at 3 p.m. It will be sent to the parents as SMS. If you want to attach any file, you can do. You press this plus button on top right corner again. It will display the list of contacts which are the classes you are handling. I am choosing 2 classes. You can enter any message. Refer to the attached PDF. Now I am going to send only one PDF. There is the upward arrow mark over here. You click to it. It will give a pop-up message with take video, take a picture, or go to gallery, go to audio gallery. You can choose anything. Now I am going to send a PDF. So go to file. Whichever PDF I want to send, I will just attach and choose this arrow mark button. It will be sent. So this is only for you to send any one file, either a image or a video or a PDF. In case if you want to send multiple attachments, there is an option. Go back to the main screen. You have 3 lines on top left. Click to it. You see a number of options. Here you choose content library. After choosing content library, select subject, select filter type. Here when you click, it will show 2 options. One is class, group or specific. If you want to circulate any study material or any assignments, you can choose class. In case if you are going to written any corrected answer scripts to the individual student, if you feel that other students need not view all the answer scripts, in that case you can choose specific. Now I am going to share a study material, so I am choosing class group. Since I have chosen class, it will ask which class and section. Now I am adding content. Add content. Select type, class, section, select subject, content title. I am giving the chapter name, and here under content type I can send multiple attachments. First I am choosing image. It will show a box, text box with upload content. Here you click to select file. Go to files, images. I am choosing an image. Then I am going to add one more file, that is document. Again select file. I am going to share one PowerPoint which I taught during the class, which will be stored in my files. I am going under documents, WhatsApp documents. Then I am choosing the PowerPoint we have done. So I've added my PowerPoint. Then I'm going to add a PDF where I had sent all the notes for this particular lesson. Go to files and one PDF I'm adding. Now I'm going to add a link. If you have created any question paper through Google Forms or in any other format, Google Classroom, you can copy that link and paste it. I'm copying the link and pasting it under the content source. Then add files. Some concepts can be explained very clearly through the video. I would have shown one video, or the image or the audio may not be very clear. So in that case, I am adding that YouTube. Here again, I will copy the YouTube link. Long press the link. Here I am pasting it. So all this for my reference. Here under content description, you can give as points. First, I have included an image. It can be a drawn image or any other image from the textbook also. I am going to give the instruction as draw the diagram twice in your classwork. Next, copy the given notes from the given PDF. Then learn well and attend the test using the given link. So link already would have created with particular timing. So you can mention the time also if you want. Then you can watch the video for your reference. So all this you can give in your content description. So whatever you have added, it will be given under description. Do you want to schedule this? If I schedule only at one particular time, the students will be able to access all this. So obviously, since it is for study material, you can give no and add. So under one topic, I am adding an image as well as a PDF, PowerPoint, and a link for test and a video for better understanding. So this will really help teachers as well as parents to get the material, study material instantly, even if the files got corrupted in cell phone, in whatever files you have in WhatsApp is erased also. Once you install this app in whichever device you install, you can retain all these information. Even if the teachers lost all the files, you can retain it under one particular topic. Electrochemistry lesson means all the notes as well as the question paper is been posted. Hope this will be very useful, teachers. Thank you.